Hello, everyone. Welcome back for another math lesson with Mr. Hopkins. Today we're going to talk about the domain and range. We've mentioned it earlier in this unit, and we're going to refresh it and hopefully become more familiar with it. The domain is the set of all inputs. Those happen to be our x values. The range is a set of all outputs, which is the y values. Okay, so identify the domain and range of each relation, then determine whether it's a function or not. So remember, in order to be a function, x's cannot repeat themselves, right? So no x can have more than one y. So here we go. Domain, again, is all the x values. That's 9, 4, 5, -9, +9. When I list the domain as a set of numbers, they should be in numerical order. That's smallest to greatest. So -9, 4, 5, so -9, 4, 5, and +9. The +9 is written twice. We only write it once in the set. Okay, and the range is the y values. So that is 2, 3, 7, 4, 6. So 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. And is this a function? The answer is no, because 9 appears twice, meaning it goes to 2, which is my y value, and it also goes to 6. So as my explanation, I can just say 9 goes to 2 and 6. Okay, the domain. Again, the x values. So -3, 0, 4, 7. And the range is the y values, which is just 2. So is this a function? The answer is yes. All x's are different. All right, number 3, the domain 0, 7, 3, 0, 2. So 0, 2, 3, 7. And the range 5, 3, 7, 0, 5. So 0, 3, 5, 7. The answer is no, it's not a function because 0 goes to 5 and 0 goes to 0. It goes to two different numbers. Okay, the last table. The domain, x values. Oops. -3, -2, -1. Let's see here. And the range, 7, 8, 9. Is it a function? The answer is no, and that's because 1 goes to 9, -1 goes to 9, and -1 goes to 7. Okay, moving on. Number 5, domain. I'm going to leave this one for you guys to try. Let's go right to this graph. The domain. Domain is the x values. So right here at -2, at 1, +2, and 3. So let's see here. We said -2, 1, 3, and I skipped 2, 1, 2, and 3. And the range is the y values. So the y values being used is this one, and this one. So -2, 0, and 1. And is it a function? Let's see. Remember the vertical line test. If I draw a vertical line, will it only hit it in one spot? And the answer is yes, it's a function, because if I draw a vertical line there, it only hits it in one spot. Only in one spot. See that? So it is a function. Passes the vertical line test. Please do not abbreviate on the test or the quiz. I did do that there, but you know what the VLT is now. Okay, the domain. This is getting harder. Domain is how far left and right it goes. It's the x value. So it goes as far left as -3, goes as far right as +3, and it's everything in between. So -3 to +3. And the range is the y values, how far high it goes, how far low it goes. So let's erase this, maybe even change color. The lowest it goes is -2. The highest it goes is +1, and it's everything in between, right? So -2 to 1, and it's my y values. Okay, let's try that again from our graph. The x values is the domain. So domain is how far left. It goes to -4 to +4. It's my x values. And my range is how far low it goes. It goes to -4 down here, all the way up to +2. So -4 to 2, but this time it's my y values. And is this a function? Passes the vertical line test, right? It only hits it in one spot, so yes. All right, so I hope that was a good review. Even though it's a new lesson for today, but it should be a semi-review because we've discussed domain and range. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out. Have a great day.